You will never guess what I'm using to make this sound. Sounds like fire burning, right? It's tissue.